come build an IKEA chair with me at 12 a.m. So, nun ako sa step 4 and 5 of this model. It's a Smallen chair. So, I've managed to make the base, guys. It was fairly easy since provided na ang kanina tool to tighten the screws and make the base. So I'll show you everything. So I've attached this and made the base and attached this as well after doing this order of screws. So I've also placed this base to this one and then now I have to attach the chair itself and somehow do this. So I'll show you my progress. Here, this is the base. See, they told me to just place it like this and keep it like this, and I don't know. Oh, see, somehow it's malift siya. I don't know what sorcery is this. So, muna siya. So, I think i-shoot dito post. I-shoot lang na ko siya. So, I just need to shoot this to here. So, let's see if this up or down on the siya. Is it going down though? I'm sure twist. So let's make it rise from the ashes. Yung sa tabang level is the chair going up. I believe it's going up, or I don't know. But girl, in fairness I can. Wow! Wala siya nag-fall off. I don't know what physics IKEA is having. No, like anything na securing the post to the base and just spinning the chair. Which wala ko yung nadungog na click, guys. So, I guess it's a success. But, ta-da! The Smallen chair. Success ba? Hawa. Ta-da! Going up. It's like this. Going up down. Is it down? Is it showing? Isa ka ba siya? Am I overthinking this? Or na-feel mo ko siya. Nisa ka. Oh, nice. So, we also bought this accessory. It's kind of like a cushion for the bottom, for your butt. So, meet Justina. This is Justina. Justina saying, hey. Hey, Justina, you look so fabulous. So Justina's a very simple girl. Cure Justina here. Justina's gonna sit here, guys. Fine. Just tuck the tag in. So, yay, success. I feel like Bob the Builder. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.